Ira is someone who religiously watches the YouTube videos, and it's his athletic school day, and he really wanted me to come watch. So we are now heading to his school to go watch him, but we're also giving him
5
a
a.m.
pair of shoes.
These are just, of course, water. Ayos ba tong warm-up natin?
Okay, coach.
Ha?
Okay.
Lugi tayo ah.
Okay lang. Naka-warm-up na, coach. Grabe. Ahon kagad. Paglabas ng bahay, ahon kagad, coach.
Tapos sila, sasakay pa. Grabe. Ano naman yan? So we are at Cannon Road. We're going to meet Merwin and Peter. Cannon Road to Bukod, Ambuklao. Goal now is 3,500 meter of climbing. So here, boys, the pride of Cebu, the pride of Fit PH, and then who's that? Pral, the upcoming. Ilang kilometers yung warm-up natin?
Oh,
3K.
less than 3.
Wala. Yeah, tapos ilan ang elevation agad? 180. So, yeah, that's our elevation here in Baguio. Climbing. You okay?
Yes.
Parang hindi natin kailangan ng jacket ah.
Ha?
Parang hindi kailangan. Off to Ambuklao with the boys. Go, Tito. My man! I'll take their videos because baka hindi na kami magkita-kita mamaya eh. It's cold, man. It's 15. Naka-jacket si Brian, oh. There's Ada. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Guys, relax lang ha.
Good
morning, tita.
Good morning.
Coach, ikaw na bahala dyan.
May alaga. Basta tinake mo na kami ah.
Kaya nga, coach.
So Luis, dapat kasi S5 ang kinuha natin eh. Mali. Sabi naman, ang gagaling naman ng mga girls leading the boys. Bayan na lang. Ano bang ginagawa natin? Bro, Tito Carlo alalayan nyo, huminto na. Hello. Titas alalayan nyo si Tito Kaya mag-aala.
We are here at ano ba to, coach?
Adonot.
Donut.
Flood control, Benguet style.
Saudi.
Uh, now off we go to the dam ride.
Damn right.
The dam ride. Wow, how many watts were you pushing? Huh?
Too many.
Not too many watts.
Almost 300.
I became from Manila. Ano nangyari?
56 and a half.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
56. Yeah, I think more of 60k.
Why is my Garmin saying unpaved road ahead? Boy, dadaling ko sana dun sa kaliwa eh.
Yeah.
Ay, mali.
Kamusta ka na, Art?
Hots, nagutom na.
Gutom na?
Gutom na yun abot.
Ano nga, malayo pa tayo, pare?
Oh.
Ano ba to? Nasa mag-aapat na oras na tayo. Wala pa tayo sa U-turn. Pero 1-2 yung nag-climb na tayo ng 1-6. Pero sila Peter, iniwan tayo. Mamaya titirik din yung mga yan. What's up guys? Vlogging.
May gamit pa kayo.
Everything is in there. Taurine. 3,000 LF gain. And we're still at the U-turn.
Almost base camp.
Almost base camp daw. Okay, katok. Boom, hello. Welcome to Baguio. Long time to see.
Inaakit mo na yung 8K pa uwi.
Oh, yun.
Yun ang pamatay dun eh, no?
Yung init.
Nakakasing kain, kaya kumain ka ba?
Oo, hindi ka kumakain eh.
Oo, yan.
Nalungkot nga, wala si Mrs. nga.
Wala si Kay.
Great morning guys. Day 2. So Stanley is here. We're going to highest point with Stanley. You guys so serious. Come on, man. Chill. To the 2000 LF gain. 2000 P. Elevation gain 2100. While Mervin is eating. Peter.